The advent of Jesus Christ meant the beginning of the greatest adventure. Having come to meet us where we are, it was while Jesus was walking by the Sea of Galilee that he called his friends to follow him. He didn't go to Athens with its long history of the 5 great philosophical schools and to the intellectual heavyweights, although his followers would later and would conquer Athens. Neither did he go to Rome, to the center of political and military power, to the corridors of power, although his followers would and would win even that eternal city. He didn't go to Jerusalem, to the temple and to the religious leaders, although his followers would and would win the hearts and minds of thousands. Where did Jesus go at first? To one of the least strategic and most unpromising places imaginable, to the shore of the small lake of Galilee, to 4 ordinary men, Simon, Andrew, James and John. That's what he's like. He doesn't want anyone to think that they're not clever enough, not a mover or shaker or religious enough to join him. He chose ordinary working men and was able to transform them in such a way that they excelled all the greatest thinkers of this world.